I feel like if everybody has a better understanding of how it works, that will prevent it from going to the other side, becoming a negative rather than a positive, because more people will know how to use it correctly.
I think because I'm foreigner here, I will hope AI to help government to speed up this process, because maybe AI will recognize which part we can decline, which part we can grow up. So maybe AI can help for this.
I hope it can be used positively to impact change. I'm worried, particularly because a lot of it will rely on regulation. That's going to be down to government. Whoever's in government and what their political agenda is will dictate what that regulation is, and we know that that's not always the best thing because it could change government to government. So it's a really fluid piece of work, and I think people would need a lot more clarity around that before they'd be able to really be hopeful about it.
I have really positive opinions about AI. I think it's going to take us to places we've never been before. But I also have fears that it might fall into unscrupulous hands and it can be used for harm. Our ability to think rationally and critically to AI, we're going to lose that muscle. And I think for me, that's a problem. I want us to keep using our brains to create, to innovate. And I see that AI is going to take that away from us, in my opinion.
My hopes are that it can be used more in the medical field, things like early diagnosis and taking the stress out of it for perhaps quicker results. Fears, I think maybe just what we've seen already with people falling for fake content, but I think AI is going to be able to fake it better, I think.
If you could get me AI that comes and does my dishes and cleans the house so I don't have to, we'd be fine, but I would need a robot for that.